the thing is this, a lot of people that I see, they bought a new car, and then let's say the warranty is 4 years or 5 years, and all these 5 years they go back to the service centers, right? They do their first service, second, third, and then you pay the money. Of course, certain car makers like Mazda, like BMW, they offer free service. Not every car maker offers free service. Um, then that's what everyone has been doing until the fifth year, when your car is running out of warranty. That's when your fear sets in. You're like, okay, I better sell my car and get a new one. And most of the time, let's say, of course, there are people who take 5-year loans. There are people who dump in a lot of money for a new car. They put in a lot of down payment, and then to reduce the monthly installment and all that. I mean, to each his own, but most of the time, Malaysians have to deal with a 7-year car loan or a 9-year car loan and then 5-year warranty. So there was a bit of a mismatch here. And when the fear comes in by the 5th year, a lot of people wanted to sell their cars, and then they bring it to a used car dealer. And the thing is this, there's no market price. A lot of people didn't know this. There's no such thing as a market price. Yes, the dealers will tell you, oh, they need to check the value, blah, 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 blah. But the value is just an aggregate of what everybody is selling on Mudah and Carlist. Okay? And people just follow that. So, if you sell cars, you see this guy coming to you and saying that, this guy wanted to sell his cars. Sometimes they will ask you, oh, does your car still have a loan and all that? Actually, that question is just to hope that if you answer, the car is fully paid for. If it's fully paid for, they know you'll accept 50k even though the market value is 70k, because for you it's 50,000 back, right? So of course they'll try to press it down, and then after they got your car, I don't mean that they are cheating you. No, it's just a demand and supply thing. It's a willing buyer, willing seller thing. If you willingly let go of your car when they tell you 40,000, then you don't complain that that's your used car value. Your used car value is low. I mean, who wants to buy at a high price? Everybody is worried they bought at too high a price. Everybody wants to buy at a lower price and wants to sell at a higher price. So that's how it is. And I see a lot of people struggling whereby, it's a 7-year car loan, 9-year car loan, and then by the 5th year they're out of warranty, they want to sell off their car, and then sometimes they need to top up a few grand to the bank loan just to get rid of the car, So in order to solve this problem, we always think that there must be a way to help you guys, the non-car guys, I would say. So this extended warranty thing is actually a godsend. We met these great partners, very, very honest partners, GMR, got my right, and they're backed by RHB. So what this entails is this: if your car is about to run out of warranty soon, and your car is below 140,000 km mileage, right? What you can do now is that you join Evo Club. You'll be able to purchase these extended warranty at a 20% price, lower, 20% discount. And what you need to do is that you have to go to the inspection centers, our inspection centers, and get your car inspected. If your car is in good condition, everything is alright, you follow your service schedules alright, that means you pass the inspection, you will be eligible to purchase an extended warranty of 1 year. That 1 year ended, you will renew it again upon inspection. Okay, this is to ensure that your car is in good condition. I mean, which insurance company will want to back your car if your car is in a bad condition, right? No one wants to do that. But it is a safeguard, all right, and it's not expensive. I'll give you an example. Let's say if you have a 3 Series, your extended warranty is under Evo Club should be below 2,000 ringgit. And how much it covers? It covers a full year of, I don't quite remember. Okay, sorry. Yeah. So it covers full year 40,000. So from lower than 2,000 ringgit, your full year claim can be up to 40,000. Your per claim is 7,500 ringgit, which covers a lot of things. Now, what are the stuffs that are covered? A lot. Okay, I'll give you an example. Everything is listed. Everything is transparent here. Within the engine system, okay, cylinder head, camshaft, the cylinder, your brake booster, yeah, these things are all covered. All right. So what this means is that it gives you an assurance that even though your warranty with the car maker has ended, you can still own your car, you purchase an extended warranty, and then you can still service your loan, you know, still own your car, still run it well. So that was the intention that we set off to do this. Evo Club was created so that as a car owner, you can have a lot of invitation to special events, drives. Um, you have access to things like these to support you. All this that we're doing for car owners in Malaysia, and yeah, so check it out. I'll put the links below. It's something for you guys, for car owners. Now, in terms of car brands, most car brands are covered. Of course, if you have some weird brands, all right. And there are certain car models that are case to case basis. The M cars, AMG cars, RS cars, all these are case to case basis. But generally, the cars that you buy out there, the Hondas, the Toyotas, the BMWs, Mercedes Benz, Land Rovers, all these are there. There is a price to it, but it's not ridiculous. It's not a ridiculous price. I'll give you some examples. Subarus, 1008, right? Lexus starting from 2000, Mazda starting from 1007, BMW starting from 1006, Minis as well 1006, Mercedes Benz 1007 starting from there. It's about more or less. And Land Rover is a bit higher, starting from about 2,700 ringgit, but it's still fine. It's still alright. And others are case to case basis, right? Kia, Hyundai, M cars, AMG, Volkswagen, Audis, and RS models. Alright, so if you're interested, join Evo Club, and then let us know, and then we'll get them in touch with you, get your car inspected, and if it approved, you get yourself an extended warranty. Another initiative from the aurizn team from evomalaysia.com for car owners. Alright, so yeah, we know it's a challenging year ahead, so hopefully this thing actually helps, because bringing your car now to a used car dealer, you are just asking for it, because it's better to sell your car direct to another owner instead of selling to used car dealers. There are too many cars out there now. Their yards are full of cars. They don't need your car. Yeah, that's how it is now. They don't need your car. So even if the car's market value is 90k, you bring it to a dealer, he might just offer you 60, whether you want or not. Yeah, 60. You don't want, you walk off, bye. If they get to buy your car in 60, you think they'll celebrate? No, they still have to wait. They wait for a long time to sell the car off, because there are so many cars in the market now. So it's a risk for them as well. So yeah, give your car a good detailing job, give it a paint job, or change the rims, something, refreshen up your car. You feel very, very different, right? So if you want to detail your car, you can go to the place where I did my car, Auto Detailer. Even though they look very expensive, they have a lot of stuffs that are comparable to what you get outside, and I think their workmanship is really, really good. Alright, so yeah, that's about it. Thank you, and wish everybody safe, and let's pull this through together. This COVID-19 thingy is just crazy, wreaking havoc. on everybody. Alright, so I put the links down here. You can have a look at the what's being covered, the full list of trusted workshops, and you can click on the regions. Central region, it will pop to Central region workshops. You can click Southern region, it will go to Southern region. We have the Waze and Google Maps all there. Alright, so join Evo Club, club.evomalaysia.com. Doesn't cost you anything. Alright guys, cheers.
Soy el fuego que